morning, students. Today we will solve the questions from Concise Mathematics, Class 10, Exercise 1A, question number 3. So let's get started. First, we look at the question. A computer mechanic in Delhi charges a repairing cost from 5 different persons A, B, C, D, E with certain discounts. The repairing cost and corresponding discounts are given below. Name of the person A, repairing cost is equal to 5,500, discount percentage equal to 30. For B, repairing cost is equal to 6,250, discount percent is equal to 40. For C, repairing cost is equal to 4,800, discount percent is equal to 30. Name of the person D, repairing cost is equal to rupees 7,200, discount percent is equal to 20. Name of the person E, repairing cost is equal to 3,500, discount percent is equal to 40. If the rate of the GST is 18%, find the total amount including GST received by the mechanic. So look at the solution. First we will find discounted value. So for person A, repairing cost is 5,500, discount percent is 30%. So first we find 30%, discount is equal to 30%. So discounted value will be what? 70. 70 by 100 multiply 5,500 is equal to 3,850. 70, why we have choose 70? Because 30% is discount, so total percentage is 100, so 100 minus 30 is equal to 70. In the same way, for B, the repairing cost is equal to 6,250. Discount percent is 40%, so discounted value will be 60 by 100 multiply 6,250 is equal to 3,750. For person C, repairing cost is 4,800, discount percent is 30. So discounted value will be 70 by 100 multiply 4,800, that is equal to 3,360. For D, repairing cost is 7,200, discount is equal to 20, so discounted value is equal to 80 by 100 multiply 7,200, that will be, if you will solve this, it will become 5,760. For person E, repairing cost is equal to 3,500, discount percent is equal to 40, discounted value is equal to 60 by 100 multiply 3,500 is equal to 2,100. So total discounted value, if we will add all this, we will get rupees 18,820. So total amount of GST will be, because GST is 18%, so 18 by 100 multiply 18,820, 20, that will, if you will solve, that will become 3,387 rupees 60 paise. So total money received by the mechanic is equal to discounted value plus GST, that is 18,820 plus 3,387.60, and that will become rupees 22,270 rupees 60 paise. I hope you must have understood this. Today up to here, we will meet in next session with the next questions. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.